Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make kefir in your Instant Pot. This method is incredibly easy and yields fantastic results. We'll cover everything from gathering your few ingredients to enjoying your fresh, homemade kefir. It's a wonderful way to incorporate beneficial probiotics into your diet, and you'll be surprised how simple it is to achieve a creamy, tangy drink right in your own kitchen. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need just two main ingredients: 1 tablespoon of active milk kefir grains and 4 cups of whole milk. Whole milk provides the ideal fat content for a rich, creamy kefir. Make sure your Instant Pot's inner pot and a clean glass jar, such as a quart-sized mason jar, are thoroughly sanitized. This prevents any unwanted bacteria from interfering with your fermentation process, ensuring a pure and healthy batch of kefir. Now let's get to the fermentation. Gently combine your 4 cups of whole milk with the 1 tablespoon of active kefir grains in your clean glass jar. Do not seal the jar tightly. A loose lid or a coffee filter secured with a rubber band works perfectly. Place the jar on the trivet inside your Instant Pot's inner pot. Close the lid, ensuring the vent is sealed. Select the yogurt setting and adjust the time to 24 hours. The Instant Pot will maintain the ideal temperature for fermentation. Once the 24 hours are up, your kefir is ready. Carefully remove the jar from the Instant Pot. Using a fine mesh strainer, gently separate the kefir grains from the fermented milk. The strained liquid is your delicious, homemade kefir. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will keep for about 1 week. Your active kefir grains are now ready to be used for your next batch, simply by repeating these easy steps. Enjoy your fresh, probiotic-rich drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.